What I'm going to show you today is how to make a story with the app ToonTastic. When you open up ToonTastic, you have an option to create a new cartoon. So I'm going to tap on the new cartoon button.
Let's create a cartoon. A cartoon is an animated story made up of different scenes like a setup, a conflict, a challenge, a climax, and a resolution. Together, these scenes form the story arc, a measure of your story's emotional energy.
What I really like about this app is that it really explains the story arc like she talked about. And if I tap on something, you can see that I have the description down at the bottom over here. And then if I tap on like conflict,
the conflict, where you create a problem for your main character.
So I'm going to walk you through each of the different options are all set up the same. So we're going to start with the setup. I'm going to show you how to do that.
The characters and the story setting.
To start off your scene, you're going to tap on the green paintbrush.
The first step in building your scene is to create the setting where your scene will take place.
So the free version only has one scene, but what you can also do is draw scenes over here at the side that I've drawn. There's also a happy birthday scene, so these are cameras, and you can see there I am. We're going to start with just the built-in scene.
Now tap the forward arrow to move on.
And you can see that it walks you through each step.
Which characters would you like to be in your scene?
Since this is the free version, I only have these three options for the robot, the professor, and the cable car. So I'm going to tap on the professor to put him in.
Now you can add more characters or move on by tapping the forward arrow.
And then I'm going to tap on the arrow.
Now it's Anna scene. Touch the start animation button when you're ready, and you can move your characters on screen.
So
Remember
what happens?
To speak up so the microphone can record your story.
So what happens now is that I can move my cartoon anywhere on the screen, and I can tap him, I can make him bigger, I can make him smaller, and once I'm ready, it will record my voice as well. So I'm going to tap on start.
Tell your story. 3, 2, 1, action.
Here I am walking along the street. Here's my super duper device. And if I tap stop, here I am walking along the street. Here's my super duper device. So I can keep going.
This is the music page, where you can give your scene a little more emotional energy. Try moving your scene up and down and pick out an emotion that fits the mood.
What I like about this is that if you pick an emotion, like if I pick nervous, you can see as I increase it, it gets more nervous. And I like how it pairs not only the audio, but the visual cue as well. And I can do in the middle. And I can go all the way down. And as I move down, the adjectives at the bottom change, which I also really like. So if I arrow over, my setting is done, and now I can keep going. Once you're all done, in the free version, you have an option to upload to ToonTastic Tube, which is kind of like a YouTube, but you need to record a video of an adult or your teacher in order to get approval, which is really nice. For the premium version, which is $15.99, you can save your story to the camera roll. I have to say that I really like this app because it gives support for the story arc, and it doesn't let a student just kind of play around. It leads them to make sure that they actually have a story arc. So once I tap done, you can see that it will now prompt me to do my movie title. And this is where you can have your account, or you can export it to your camera roll. And it will play your movie. And it plays an advertisement, of course, beforehand. Here I am walking along the street. Here's my super duper device. And that is ToonTastic. I suggest you try it out.